Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Honduras. You can see that I have previously drawn a bigger rectangle and it's divided into three segments. In the middle segment you can see there are 5 stars here, which is previously drawn on the white background, and the two sides of this segment is going to be the dark blue color. So let's start the drawing and filling up the portions of the top ones first. Alright, this is almost complete, the top portion. Doing the corners only here. Okay, the top portion is done. Now we are going to draw the bottom portion. This is the segment, or the 1/3 part of the whole flag is the other side of the stars. So the stars has blue strips on both sides. Alright, so you can see that the flag drawing is complete. It has 3 parts: blue part, white part, blue part, and the 5 stars in the middle. That defines the flag of Honduras. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel to connect with Blue Hand Drawing channel. Alright, and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video. You can also browse through the playlist to select your drawings from different categories. We have lots of drawings and you can choose your own drawings which you want to learn first. All the free tutorials are given there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.